This is Alex. When Alex was only 5 years old, her parents brought her to the zoo for the first time. She saw zookeepers caring for cheetahs, tigers, and lions, and decided that one day she would be just like them. Fast forward to 14 years later. Alex still loves animals just as much as she did that day at the zoo, and dreams of working with them every day. That's why she enrolled at Unity College, where she'll study captive wildlife care and education. With hands-on experiences in Unity's animal room and barn, world-class instructors to guide her, and internship opportunities abroad, Alex will take the first step to become a zookeeper. Plus, she'll make plenty of friends along the way. Like Corey, who wants to become a wildlife rescue worker one day. Alex and Corey will learn about important concepts such as animal welfare, environmental enrichment, and population management and conservation, as well as the ecological influences on animal behavior. This in-depth knowledge and training transfers to careers in managing and conserving captive wildlife, educating others along the way. With more schooling, they can even go on to become veterinarians. Alex is making her dream come true at Unity College. Will you?